This year I'm going to be spending quite a bit of time working on this Mini called George, so I thought I should introduce you. I've got quite a bit of history competing in the classic Mini, so this is my attempt to get back rallying. I've been covering the build in Performance Mini, and if you've been following that you'll see that the first thing I did to this was blow up the engine. It was just on the road, just driving along, and it melted a piston. That gave us the opportunity to put in forged pistons and forged rods, as well as a lighter flywheel and a quaife diff, so it kind of worked out alright. We've managed a couple of performance upgrades on this so far. A stage 1 ECU tune, which was the simplest, cheapest way that I've ever tuned a car. It was amazing. Unplug the ECU, post it off to low end, get it back again, plug it in, and suddenly you've got bags more power. Fantastic. We've also upgraded the brakes and then had to put bigger wheels on to get over those brakes. But apart from that, the car is completely standard. There's still a lot of work I need to do to this car before I can go rallying. Change the suspension, rip out the interior, hopefully saving some weight, put in a roll cage, bucket seats, safety equipment, and come up with a nice livery to make it stand out. I'll be doing several events this year, including hill climbs and sprints, so subscribe to the channel to keep up to date. Oh, and why is he called George? Well, we drove over the famous Abbey Road zebra crossing on the test drive, and also my other rally Mini is called Mildred.